everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So it is our Kipling month here on my channel, and of course we're going to be doing my first what's in my bag for the new year. And I am moved into my new Felix Kipling, and I want to show you guys my original Felix that I got, my very first Kipling. Here she is. Now she is featured in a couple of videos. I'm going to link my Kipling playlist on the bottom. So if you guys missed any of my Kiplings so far in the past year or two that I've been recollecting, you guys can go see the playlist and you'll see some of the pieces reappear this month. But I really wanted to show you guys my original Felix. Now this one's name is Creme, something creme.
Frondo cream.
Frondo cream. So beautiful. I love it. So when I got this, I did purchase it with the wallet. The wallet is the Teddy. Love the Teddy wallet for the Kiplings. It is my favorite. So that's what started my collection of Kiplings. I did have some here and there in the past, but I wasn't really dived into the collection. So I'm calling this my first. So here's some chocolate, and this is the cup I'm using for my new Kipling here. My beauty. Look how beautiful, guys. She is so gorgeous. Of course, it is the Felix. And I did show you guys this on the first. So from now on, I'm going to show you guys the bag one day, and then we're going to do the what's in my bag another day, so that you guys can have a couple of videos on the same bag, because I do get a lot of messages that they want to see more of it. I also did a quick outside, like a daily makeup and handbag video. I think that should already be up, but it is on this cuteness. Now this one's color. God, I hope I have it. It was fun putting this bag together. I don't have a wallet to match, but I will be getting one, of course. Okay, what did I do with the name tag? Did I write it down? Let me see. Felix. No. I'm sure it's in here somewhere. Okay, so it is a lilac color. It's a metallic lilac. So that's the color. Here is her monkey. Of course, I put my keys on it. The monkey's name is Willow. One of my favorite trees in the world. The weeping willow. So I thought that was funny. Love her. Okay. Of course, how can I not throw in my new Coach metallic ash silver set to go with it? I moved into this immediately. When I saw this, I was thinking of these bags. I do have another bag I'm going to use it with coming up this month. So I am loving these Coach journal sets. I love them. I did use my fun pen with it. And this is the pencil case. Again, these are Coach. They are called silver, metallic, and ash. Love them. I think they're still available on the website of Coach, but I'm not sure. Of course, you could always find them on the second-hand market. So this bag, it really packs a punch. Has no feet. Forgot to show you guys that. Has so many compartments, 2 handles. So on this side, zipper pocket. I'm using it as a little medical place. I have alcohol wipes, tissues, and a spray I've been carrying with me because during the holidays I get sick very fast and often. It's like my body keeps getting the flu again and again. I mean, I can't remember a Christmas or a New Year where I was not sick. So I have to carry this. Love it. It has its own spot. On this side, I think I have the strap. So this is a crossbody adjustable. This comes with the beautiful matching color strap. but I really don't use it that way, so I just keep it in the side pocket here. That way I won't lose it. I think it's made just perfect for it. Works great for me. The front here, of course, it has that Velcro, and it also has no, this one's not Velcro. This one has a snap. It's nice. I love that it has a snap. I don't know why I thought it was Velcro. So in here you can put your own pen. It has a pen area. I'm using my purple fun pen. It has a little space here for stuff. I left it blank because I don't know, I might just shove stuff in there. I have my charger in here. Oh, the chair would fit beautifully. Okay, I can't find the chair, but my chair would fit in that little pocket. I have this cute little dollar store baggie. It was a set of 2. I believe I have the big one in here too. I just wanted to use it with it because it picks up the metallics. Can you guys see like the beautiful purple metallics that is picking it up? And here I have receipts and some coupons and stuff like that. Just a little something just to carry, like papers and receipts mostly. That's what I have in the front. Now, this has so many compartments. In here, there's a compartment, and this is where I put my phone. And I love that it does, this is the Velcro. That the Velcro is very secure, and I know where my phone is going to be. We're taping on the phone, so this is where it would go. Back here, love the handles. I just love the way Kipling does this. It has a piece of, I think this is leather, I'm not even sure. But look at that, so it gets protected. Love it. It feels sturdy. It's not going anywhere. Back here, I don't have anything. I have a lot of room in here, guys. A lot of room. I didn't want to overpack. Back here, do some fun things. It is a large pocket. So I can put my journal in here if I'm going to take it with me. It does fit. That's good. And then I'm using one of my fun little, I think these are Ziploc brand. They are cute little baggies. I'm carrying in here some chocolate, some treats, gum. You know, just in case. I like it in here just in case it melts. It's not going to spread all over my bag. So that's what I'm using. I have this metallic purple fun, I think it was a brush set that I ordered off of Amazon, I believe, a while back. And it came with this cuteness. And in here I'm using my everyday pens, my color pens and stuff like that. I keep these separate from my other pens. And here is my fun designer pens. These are so beautiful. I got these online and look how pretty they are. They're metallic. I keep these separate so nobody uses them. I use these for my journals and stuff to make them pretty and decorate. So these are holding my pens. Then it's a large space, guys, back here. On this side, did I already show you? Yeah, there's nothing in there. Okay. So the main compartment, what do I have in there? Okay, this is where it gets fun. Since I didn't have a teddy wallet or any wallet of this color yet, I thought, you know what? Let's use one of my Vera Bradleys that can match. So I did match it. I think it looks so good with it. I hope you like it. This is my Vera Bradley. It's a new set. It is in my Vera Bradley playlist when we did the Vera Bradley month. I will, of course, take pictures at the end so you guys can see them up close. But I love this wallet. I love it. I mean, it holds so much. It has so many compartments. I don't know if I can show you, but okay. So, of course, here, 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 and then in the back here, I'll tell you the name right now. I have it written down. You can put cash, 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 cards, and cards. And then, of course, back here, a zipper. I mean, it is beautiful in person. Let's see the name. Here's the name. Oh, I can't see it. It is a turnkey, no, turn lock wallet. what was this, Robert? I can't even see it. Providence Paisley Cashmere D Providence.
Yeah.
Did I say that right?
Yeah, that's
okay.
right.
I don't know if it will work if I just hold it. You guys could snapshot it. But it's beautiful. So the colors on this, Providence Paisley Cashmere de Provence. Beautiful. Just beautiful. I hope the camera is doing it justice. Now, there's a lot of blues and a lot of purples. What I call blurple color, where it's not a blue, it's not a purple. And it goes so nice with this. In person, it looks so nice. I mean, it's picking up all the colors. I love it together. I hope you like what I paired with it. And then this is the bigger case of this small one I showed you guys. Where did I put it? Oh, in here. The small one. This was like I did a 2-pack from the dollar store. I just love to pick up stuff like this for the color. And then it does come in handy when you have a bag you don't have pieces too. In here is my everything drawer. I just barely shoved everything in there. I'm not going to open it. So you guys know I carry the same stuff as everybody else. Medication, cough drops, you know, things like that you might need. It's in there. I love the size. So I think these were at the Dollar Tree. So if you see them, pick them up. These are fun to have. I mean, it looks so good together. It catches even the colors of this and the metallicness. I love that. So far, what do you think? I had a lot of fun. Even though I didn't have the matching wallet, I did have a lot of fun. So when I bought my Vera Bradley in the playlist, guys, go watch. It did come, I bought the bag, this, and this piece together from the same seller. They're brand new. This is the double. I think I wrote this down. Hold on. Metallic Coach. No. So this one was, it's called double something. Where is it? So it's for the, I can't even find it. Okay. So it's for your glasses. It's double-sided glasses. Again, same Providence, the something cashmere. So I put my glasses in here. I like this thing. It's really fun and it's nice and quilted. My glasses are going to be safe. I'm able to put my readers in there. No worries. And I have my red glasses because I'm in the red mood. It is still the holidays. So that's what I'm using. What else? Yeah, I put a lot in here. Of course, I have to throw in some Dooney. Speaking of Dooney, the bag of the month has returned. I did order mine. And I don't have this bag, guys. So I'm not sure if I want to gift this one. We'll see when I unbox it if I like the size. It's all going to matter on the size of it. If it's something smaller than what I'm used to using, I might gift it. We might start off with January gifting the bag of the month. We'll see. But be sure you are subscribed here and go follow me on my Instagram, guys, because that is where if I'm going to gift something to someone, I'm going to contact who I'm going to send it out to through Instagram. So be sure. I will link my Instagram on the bottom here. If not, it is linked somewhere either on my community page or on my homepage. But be sure you're back. I did order. It has 10 colors, so go pick up the colors before they're gone because I feel like the colors are gonna just fly out of here. I'm so excited about that. Yay! So of course my Dooney Kiss Lock. This one is smoky gray Saffiano. Of course I had to throw that in. I think it matches beautifully. These colors go so well. They're cool colors. The cool colors go so well. Like my shirt here, it has all the colors that I have here. I'm wearing. I mean, these blues and the purples, they go, the grays, they go so well together. This one, I'm using it as my little makeup. I have makeup, earrings, gum, whatever I would need to put myself back together. And when the bag accommodates, I do bring it. I don't always bring it. But it is the Kiss Lock, guys. Again, smoky gray color, Saffiano. Also have this fun little one I got from the dollar store. Kiss Lock. I love Kiss Locks. And this one is just for a change. And that is it. So this is the first, guys. What's in my bag for the year. I'm so excited. Again, we are doing a whole month of Tera's Kipling month here. I encourage all of my other fellow YouTubers here to join in. I do have a couple of people who are going to join in. And as soon as they do their videos, I will link them in my community page so you guys can go and check them out as well. Here she is, guys, the newest one. I love her. Love her. I wore this out today and I got so many looks because, you know, being that metallic, it catches the sun. I mean, it just glows. It's so beautiful. Look at this. The Felix, guys. It is called the Felix. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. I don't know where my son is. I guess I'm going to turn off the video myself. Oh, there he comes. Okay. Bye, guys. Mwah.